Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best false eyelashes is probably one of the most revolutionary beauty inventions in recent years, and today, we're diving into the world of magnetic lashes to bring you the top 5 best options on the market. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best magnetic eyelashes we choose for you. Number 5. Discover the pinnacle of magnetic eyeliner technology with our meticulously crafted formula. Tested for safety and packed with micromagnetic particles, these lashes defy gravity, ensuring they stay firmly in place. Indulge in the art of subtlety with our lashes featuring ultra-thin fibers. Embrace a seamless fusion with your natural lashes, sans the overly dramatic effect. Elevate your lash experience with 50% extra liner. Our set empowers you with ample potent magnetic power from the very first application, defying compromise. If you're not absolutely thrilled, our satisfaction guarantee grants you a full year to discover and enjoy. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we're more than happy to provide a refund. Embrace ethical values with our cruelty-free label. Our lashes made from top-notch synthetic silk ensure your beauty shines without harm to animals. What we like? Unleash the power of our lab-tested magnetic eyeliner. With ultra-thin fibers, our lashes deliver the perfect balance of volume. Elevate your lash experience with our abundant liner. What people say.
They are easy to use, look fantastic and come off when you take them off. I do a heavy liner and I use the applicator and they go on easily with no adjustments. Every pair looks natural, could wear it every day and aren't those obviously long or thick ones that are meant for a night out. The tweezers to apply them are much smaller than I've used in the past and easier to use.
Number 4. Are you tired of expensive and time-consuming eyelash extensions? With our magnetic eyelash and eyeliner kit, you can achieve natural, gorgeous lashes without breaking the bank. Our liquid eyeliner contains more magnetic particles for thicker lashes and a stronger hold. Choose Reazeal for a long-lasting effect without the worry of dropping or needing to purchase another kit. Experience a bold and natural look with our high-quality synthetic fiber lashes and 5 strong magnets. The new curvature of our tweezers and more magnetic particles in the liner make application easier and more effective. Achieve charming eyelashes with our magnetic eyelash and eyeliner kit. The high-strength magnets ensure your lashes stay in place, giving you the natural look you desire. Applying our magnetic eyelashes with eyeliner kit is a breeze. Simply shake, apply the liner, wait for it to dry, and then place the magnetic lash on top. No mess, no stress. What we like? Save money and time with our magnetic eyelash kit. Our premium formula contains more magnetic particles for a strong and long hold. Experience a natural look with our fully new designed lashes. What people say.
So easy to apply because it's just eyeliner and they stick so well. No mess also because it's not glue. You can apply as thick or thin as you'd like and style normally like with a wing. They are very easy to use, look great, are easy to remove, take seconds, though I do recommend makeup remover of some sort to get the eyeliner off as it is waterproof and can be used again. They are mess-free and I don't feel like I'm running the risk of damaging my natural lashes.
Number 3. Every woman wants charming eyelashes. This set includes 10 different styles of high-quality synthetic fiber lashes for a natural look. The special eyeliners contain ultrafine magnetic particles to ensure lashes stay in place without sticky glue. No special skills needed. Apply the magnetic eyeliner, wait for it to become sticky, then attach the lashes for a flawless look. Handmade lashes with 5 micromagnets for secure attachment to the eyeliner particles, ensuring a natural and delicate appearance. Reusable and durable, these lashes are a great gift for any woman in your life. Say goodbye to messy glue and hello to effortless beauty. What we like? Get 10 unique styles with our magnetic eyelashes set. Our upgraded magnetic eyeliner ensures lashes stay put. No special skills needed, it's easy to use. What people say.
These lashes are beautiful. The liner applies smoothly and the lashes stay on all day until I take them off. There are different lengths for whatever mood I'm in or the look I want to achieve. The quality of the lashes are excellent and I was amazed when the lashes adhered with the liner. It took me a while to decide on magnetic eyelashes for my middle daughter, 13, and glad I chose these. They are great work, wonderful and look super awesome.
Number 2. The eyeliner contains the most amount of ultrafine magnetic particles, ensuring your eyelashes stay in place. These false eyelashes are very easy to wear without any special tools. Even beginners can easily apply them. With 14 pairs of different styles, you can find the perfect look for any occasion, from work to parties. Made of high-quality synthetic fibers, these magnetic eyelashes are natural-looking and comfortable to wear. A beautiful and easy-to-use gift for your loved ones, such as your mother, wife, daughter, or friend. What we like? Enjoy long-lasting and reusable lashes. Our false eyelashes are super easy and comfortable to wear. With 14 different styles, you'll be ready for any occasion. What people say.
I was amazed at how well these connected and stayed on through a whole day. I love using them and highly recommend. Love these. The eyeliner is fueled. Comes with 2 liners and 1 applicator. Lashes are soft and long. Best part is the magnetic strip on the package. Where others use glue that mess with the sharp of the lash, these pull off nicely. Nice job.
Number 1. With 10 different eyelash styles, you can easily switch up your look from day to night. Enhance your charm effortlessly. The kit includes 2 magnetic eyeliners for safe application. Simply wipe off with makeup remover for easy cleaning and reuse. Featuring a new design, the special eyeliner with magnetic particles effortlessly connects the magnetic lashes, providing smudge-proof and waterproof wear. Made of high-quality synthetic fibers, these lashes with 5 strong magnets offer a natural look and long-lasting wear. Apply the magnetic liquid eyeliner, wait for it to dry, then simply place the lashes on top for beautiful eyes that stay put all day. What we like? Choose from 10 different styles with our latest magnetic Eyelashes Kit. It's safe and comfortable to use and easy to clean. Our fully new designed eyeliner doubles as a regular liner. What people say.
The magnetic eyelashes are of a better quality than any I have ever used. 100% the magnets are strong, they're sturdy, the eyelashes look fantastic. Works very well, better than any other brand I've used. The best part is you can use them over and over and over again. These lashes are easy to install and last a long time. Will most definitely buy again. I love that these lashes last through the day. The magnetic eyeliner adhesive glue is my favorite feature, are easily applied and the finished look is the icing in the cake.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.